Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Satoshis Vision. Ticker symbol is SATS. This token just got listed today on CoinGecko, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Satoshi's Vision. So we all know Satoshi invented Bitcoin, or supposedly invented Bitcoin, and fractions of Bitcoin are called Satoshis, or SATS for short, and so the ticker symbol is SATS. I'm sure there probably is a couple other tokens out there with the ticker symbol SATS, so just be aware that that probably exists, and don't mix up tokens because of the ticker symbols. And this one is specifically called Satoshi's Space Vision. Ticker symbol SATS just got listed today on CoinGecko. Token price today is about 1.87 cents per token. It's up 16.2% right now, doing pretty well today. This is an Ethereum token. Their official webpage is satoshisvision.cash. They also have a full white paper listed on CoinGecko, their Etherscan, Twitter, Telegram, Medium articles, price chart, and contract address. So this is an Ethereum token. So basically how you get this token is you'd simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You would go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and you would trade your Ethereum for the SATS token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko, their Etherscan, webpage, white paper. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, and just be aware that there is going to be some network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Now, their max total supply, according to their Etherscan, is 21 million tokens, which is the exact amount of coins there are in Bitcoin. Now, I'm sure that was not an accident. Now, there's 301 holders right now and 9 decimal places on this token, according to their Etherscan. So what is this project all about here? It says Satoshi's Vision is a decentralized project that aims to provide a peer-to-peer electronic cash system that is independent of centralized intermediaries. The project is built on a blockchain-based platform that utilizes advanced cryptography to ensure the security and privacy of transactions. SATS introduces a unique token that serves as a unit of value and utility within the ecosystem. The project also offers various features such as staking, governance, and incentives to encourage active participation from the community. Led by a team of experienced professionals and developers, SATS is committed to revolutionizing the current financial system by providing a decentralized, secure, and efficient way of exchanging value globally. The team behind SATS is well known for their expertise in the HEX system and their connections with influential investors, including support from whales. This support has enabled SATS to quickly gain traction in the market and attract a growing community of users who are excited about the project's potential to transform the financial landscape. So problem statement and market analysis. It says the problem statement is the traditional financial system is plagued with problems such as high transaction fees, slow processing times, and lack of transparency. Additionally, centralized intermediaries such as banks and payment processors can restrict access to financial services and censor certain transactions. These limitations make it difficult for people to participate in the global economy, especially those in underbanked regions. So the market analysis, SATS enters a market where there is a growing demand for decentralized financial solutions. The rise of crypto and blockchain technology has sparked interest in alternative forms of finance that are not reliant on traditional intermediaries. However, many existing blockchain-based projects suffer from scalability and usability issues, making it difficult for them to gain widespread adoption. SATS aims to address these issues by offering a fast, secure, and scalable platform for peer-to-peer transactions. The project's unique token economy incentivizes participation and encourages community involvement, which could help drive adoption and growth. Additionally, the team's connections with influential investors and their expertise within the HEX system provides a strong foundation for the project's success. So SATS is creating a unique peer-to-peer electronic cash system designed to promote decentralization, reduce intermediaries, and provide a secure and efficient way to transfer value globally. To achieve this, SATS is building a blockchain-based platform that leverages crypto techniques to ensure the security and privacy of the transactions. So the SATS platform will operate using this native token, which serves as both a unit of value and utility within the ecosystem. This token will be utilized for various transactions on the platform, including sending and receiving funds, staking, voting on governance proposal, and participating in the platform activities. So it's a utility token and a governance token. SATS aims to promote decentralization by reducing reliance on banks, financial institutions. So the Satoshis Vision team is focused on building the platform that is both secure and scalable, fast throughput times. Overall, the Satoshi Vision platforms offers a unique and innovative solution to the problem of centralized intermediaries. So it says here, tokenomics and distribution models. There's a total supply of 21 million tokens, with 50% of the tokens sold during the pre-sale. So they had a pre-sale. The remaining tokens were allocated as follows. 40% of the tokens will be reserved for liquidity, which were burnt by sending 12 ETH and the equivalent value of SATS tokens to the burned address, highlighting the project's commitment to staying decentralized with zero tax fees. So you may not have to set slippage at all because of the zero taxes. The remaining 10% is dedicated to staking, governance, and the team for the growing success of the project. So it goes over how to stake the tokens on their white paper if you want to learn how to do that. Utility features for this token. So they're going to have a launch pad. You could use this for the launch pad. Proof of stake consensus mechanism. Chainy, which is a decentralized app that they're going to build, and Peer Cash. Then it goes over the history of Bitcoin if you want to learn all about that. You can check all this out, and then they have a conclusion, which just wraps up everything I just said. But check all this out on their webpage, satoshis.vision.cash. Find them on CoinGecko. You can find their whole white paper on CoinGecko as well. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace!